Okay folks, so here's your test. I hooked up the new hub to the wheel speed sensor wire that goes to it as a test to see if the lights go off before I put the new one on here, which you have to remove the caliper and everything to do so. And the rotor. So, I got it hooked up, and get in here for the test here. The test here is turn the key on, low traction control lights. Guess what, folks? The lights went off. The ABS light, which was right here in the dash, has gone off. So that tells me that the hub that I got from the junkyard for $15 is good. So it was the wheel bearing or sensor or something in that old hub. Now, if I push the traction control button, you can see the light is on. Push the traction control button, it's off. That's the way. Well, the light goes off. That means traction control is on. There you have it, folks. Now, the only reason the other lights are on is because the key is in the on position. So, I'll get to this. I will repair this. I will put this new hub on here, down here, and then all the lights are out. All right. DTM out. Talk to you later.